What's up, guys? Found another little trail back here. Go try it out here, maybe. Don't get rained on. Got the drone out, did some reconnaissance. Doesn't look too bad, but I mean, it's kind of hard to tell from the sky. Let's go check it out. So good. A little uphill. I think we'll be all right though, as long as we don't stop. Take me a little break here. Oh, which way do I want to go? Nice little action back here. Started to bring my truck up here one day, but them rocks there at the very beginning, I don't have anything special about my truck. I mean, it's just a stock Frontier. And them rocks up there probably hit my oil pan, so I didn't even bother. Oh, check this out. Ooh. I'm gonna get off here and check my map real quick. Be back in a jiffy. Alright guys, I looked at the map here. Come to find out, on the end of this trail is where I started to go uphill, and then I wimped out and stopped halfway up the hill and dumped my bike and this and that. So I'm going to go a little bit ways up here, but I might not go all the way. Just a fair warning. It doesn't look too bad, but I got to think also, if I come back down, how bad it's going to be. I'm going to go check it out here. Side of a freaking mountain, so no pressure. Did some reconnaissance with the drone. It doesn't look too bad, but like I said, that hill over there, maybe it won't be so bad going down it. Holy crap, look at that washout. Break here. battery tires on this thing. Oh boy. I think that's that hill I started to come up. Let's go see where this goes. Battery real quick. Looks like it's getting low. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. It's that time again. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go try to hit up this other trail here. We'll see how far I make it up it. I might turn around. I might run out of film. So maybe we won't see it, but I'll see it. And I'll know for sure. And if I don't get it filmed, I'll just tell y'all that I went all the way up it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment. I'll see you in the next one. Rubber and Dirt, out.